Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for August. And this is the Car Show Cam. Yes. We always go out to this event. We go out every month. There's always a lot of cars out there, but this month it was kind of on the thin side. Weather was kind of a factor. It was kind of nasty looking, kind of overcast. I really didn't want to go, but I go every month, so I went anyway. But anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Of course, we got them pulling out. We kind of got the usual suspects this month. Just, it's an off month, I guess. The heat and the rain and everything just throws everything off. It's going to wrap it up for this grand tour. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
But it's so it that is
Alright, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for August. We didn't have a whole lot of cars out there this month, unfortunately. The weather just kind of, people didn't show up because it was kind of overcast and looked like it was going to rain. But we made do with what we had. We took video, we took pictures. We're going to take you guys along for the ride. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.